going on, everybody? So I was looking for wiper blades, and I've been running 22-inch wiper blades without even thinking. I have the rain sensor, and had an unfortunate event of a dump truck spraying a wall of rocks at my windshield, and it broke my windshield, so I had to get a new windshield. And as soon as I pulled the car in, the guy noticed, and he's like, these aren't the right size wiper blades, and blah 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 blah. And he mentioned the rain sensor, and I was like, oh, I didn't even think of that. But I can't find 23-inch wiper blades anywhere locally, so it's what it is. Anyway, I ended up getting 23-inch wiper blades. Well, they're advertised as 23-inch wiper blades, made by Bosch. It's the twin spoiler version. Um, yeah, so I ordered them from rockauto.com, and I live in Canada, so we pay a lot more than pretty much everyone else. And it worked out to about 40 bucks and some change shipped to my door. So it was a pretty good deal. And the wipers are actually 22.5 inch. Um, yeah, but you've seen what they look like. That's the box and everything. And let's get to the install. Alright, so what I have are the one-piece Bosch wiper blades here. Get that in focus. There we go. That's better. So to remove them, you just squeeze these two tabs. There's one on that side. There's one on that side. Squeeze. This whole thing lifts up. And it shows you the inside. And you lift up the arm. Move that back, and I think it should just pull off. Yeah, there we go. The whole thing just comes out. It's so much harder to do this with one hand, I think. Oh, wait, how does... this come off? There we go. Just break it off, doesn't matter. Okay, so the old wipers were 22-inch. These ones are, well, they're advertised as 23-inch, but they're 22.5 inch. They fit Corvettes, Cadillac. I can't remember the model. I'll check it after and post it up in the comments. And Saab 93s and Saab 95s. So 22.5-inch Bosch, or as advertised, 23-inch. So to put these in, just slide it through that gap, turn it, line up this thing there. So you just slide that through the hole and then just push up until it's supposed to lock in place. There. Now it's on. Good as new. You'll notice it actually goes right to, almost right to the windshield. It's a little off right at the edge there. It's pretty good. And the driver's side actually has a spoiler on it, which I'll show you in a sec. Alright, so again, squeeze this tab here, a little tab thing there. Just grab both, squeeze, and pull up. Supposed to squeeze and pull it. There we go. Alright. Just pop this completely off. Alright, turn that. Oh yeah, these wipers have been on for a long time. And they're in pretty rough shape. With old wipers, you don't have to worry about breaking it off. Actually, this might be a little harder to do with one hand, actually. Let's see. be a thing in here to squeeze, but I think this one's actually rusted in. That's not good. There we go. That part sucks. Scratch the paint. Okay, so the driver's side is the side that has... Stop it. Paper. Oh, God. This car's old. I'm going to be getting a paint job anyway. Someone actually ran into the car. They're giant off-road tires. Now let's see, which side does the spoiler go on? It goes on the top, I believe. Okay, no, I guess it goes on the bottom. I guess that makes sense. Alright, so same thing. Turn that down. Slide it through this gap. Just like that. Line up the little thing and pull up. That should be it, but it's not going. I should probably lube that. Okay, where are you not going? Oh, there we go. Oh, come on. Let's try that again. Okay. It's starting to go. Can never just be one quick thing. Always has to be something. Alright, let me use two hands to actually get this thing on. I'll be right back. Okay, so there's a little tiny thing here that squeezes in. Barely. That's what was stopping it. When you push in, that was getting caught there. Just gotta push that down. Whoops. Let's try that again. Push that in. There we go. And that's it. We're good. Locked in place. Nice 22.5-inch wipers. Good to go.